Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today we have a very special video for you. Not only are we going to pour on a rock again, which we just found out is a fantastic way to pour, but we are celebrating the wonderful and talented Miss Donna from It's Art by Donna. And I just want to say a big happy birthday, Donna, to you, okay? And also a big thank you to Aishu for inviting me along on this wonderful collaboration. All right, second, what is really going to make this video special is this is the start of something that I'm going to be doing at least twice a month. And I am going to be going into the comments, picking random viewers, which, guys, you know how I love to get you guys involved with everything I do. So I'm going to pick random viewers, and I am going to customize a color palette to suit your name. Because that's what I'm doing today, because this color palette spells out Donna. So this is the start, and we're going to move forward. We're going to do that about twice a month. I think that'll be fun. All right. I do want to get into these colors. Let's just move this rock out of the way because this is gonna be cool. All right, and we're gonna go through the colors really fast. Then we're gonna get this pour going because this is gonna be a very quick one. All right, here we go. First one over here. Start off with the D, obviously. Ready? We're gonna go. This is deep magenta. All right. Then we have orange flash. We have neon yellow flash. We have neon pink, and then alizarin crimson, okay? And then, as always, with our pours, we also have the titanium white, which has nothing to do with Donna's name, okay? But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that twice a month. I think it's fun for you guys, and you'll know if I'm gonna choose your name because I will ask you what pouring style you would like me to do. So I think that'll be nice. I'll get to interact and ask you what you would like to see, and I'll do a nice color palette for you. All right, so let's just get this started, guys, because I'm very excited. I really do love this. I think it's a fun way to do pours. And wow, I think I just noticed I don't have a cup right here. Hold on. Wow, that's very odd for me. Usually I'll have a cup sitting around because we're gonna need to layer this cup. All right, so that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna go into some nice music, and we're gonna layer that cup. And you know what? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, I'm back in here. This cup looks great. Oh boy, wow. I did deviate from the plan there a little. I usually try to be as uniform as possible, but I think I just got out of sync. But still, very beautiful. Wow, love it. All right, let's put her back over here. Let's get this rock going. I'm not that messy, so it's good. Woo! All right, let's see now. Now the decision is which way do we want to pour? Because, you know, sometimes it's so nice. These designs with the rocks, so great. I guess we're going to go this way and see what happens. All right, so let's get her in the center there. All right, right about there. I think that's good. Oh, I like it. All right. All right, guys. We're going to go back into some music here. We're going to pour this down. We're going to see how it goes. This is only my second time doing this, so I kind of want to see if there's consistency here. I'm very excited about this. And you know what? Again, happy birthday, Donna. And I will see you on the other side. Let's go. right, everyone, we're coming back down here. Wow. All right, yes, it is consistent. This is a really, really great way to pour. Wow, yes, guys. Please, like I said in the last video, I said it, please run out and go get some rocks. That was great. You see what happens. You have so much control. It's like super control over straight pours that just like cascade down. It's fantastic. I love it. Wow. Woo, I really love it. I do have a secret though. I do have something really big planned with that. Not with rocks, just other things. That's gonna be coming up soon. You know? All right, let's torch so we can get to close up. All right. All right, I hope everybody's staying tuned. You have 3 days of wonderful artists in this collaboration. It's so exciting. Another big thank you to Aishu for setting this all up for all of us. I hope you guys are enjoying everything. And another big happy birthday to Donna. All right, there we go. All right, guys, I want to say a big thank you, as always, for spending your time with me. You know I appreciate it, and I love doing this for everybody. And I hope you guys get to see things and learn things, and you can go home and you can do this. Because this technique right here is so much fun. I can't wait to show you the close-up because, man, I almost feel like it's like a cool psychedelic butterfly in here. Wait till you see. It's really cool. I love it. Oh, the lines you can get with this. All right, you know I can ramble on, but this is a short video. So I'll tell you, everybody hang close because we're going to start doing that with the names in the next month coming up. So be prepared. All right. I will see you all later. Bye.